exacqVision Configuration Calculator Updates. The exacqVision Configuration Calculator is a powerful tool designed to simplify the process of estimating storage requirements and system configurations for video surveillance setups. By mastering this tool, you can ensure accurate planning, optimize resources, and enhance system performance. This tool has been updated to include AI metadata. Metadata is data about other data. For exacqVMS, metadata describes textually or verbally what is in the video, such as bounding boxes around objects, types and colors of vehicles, clothing color, accessories, exact locations and direction of travel. Metadata is created in real time directly by the camera on the edge. Start by accessing the exacqVision Configuration Calculator on the official exacq website. Navigate to Tools and select the Configuration Calculator option. A pop-up message will be displayed. Click OK. Ensure that you have the necessary details about your surveillance setup, such as the number of cameras, resolution, frame rate, and retention time required. From the Make drop-down, select Illustra. This metadata update is also supported on selected Axis and Hanwha cameras within the calculator. From the Model drop-down, select the required model. If the camera supports AI metadata, a new checkbox is displayed. This new option will only be visible when a camera that supports AI is chosen, such as the Illustra Pro Gen 4, Flex Gen 4, and selected Pro Gen 3 Hanwha and Axis cameras. If you would like to include storing AI metadata in your calculations, select this checkbox. Configure all other settings as required, including the number of cameras, compression, resolution, FPS, record hours, days, and data rate. You should pay close attention to accuracy when entering camera specifications, resolution, and frame rates, as this impacts the calculation results. Once you are happy with your configuration, click the Next button. Select any additional server options that you may need. The list of compatible models and the number of servers required will be displayed on the right. Once you are happy with your configuration, click the Next button. Select a server configuration from the list provided. You can use the Sort by filter to organize the list by a number of options, including series, price, and quantity required. Once you are happy with your selection, click the Next button. Select your preferred model from the list and click the Next button. Finally, enter the relevant project details and select whether you want to save or export the configuration to send to your sales representative. By following these steps, you can leverage the exacqVision Configuration Calculator to streamline your video surveillance planning. Accurate calculations and regular updates ensure your system operates efficiently, saving time and resources while enhancing security. Thanks for watching.